Hi, in this video, I will show you newly added features, course evaluation and grade evaluation report. Course evaluation is an important function. Regarding courses and the instructors, students can give feedback. First, I will show you through system variables how to set up evaluation period, evaluation options, and the permission. Then we'll define course evaluation questions, and we'll do evaluation by student. And finally, I will show you grade evaluation report. Let's log on using Academy. Let's go to System Setting, System Variables. And in the middle, you can see newly added fields. Evaluation from date, evaluation to date, start and date. By setting up these two fields, you can specify the evaluation period. Evaluation should not be done in any random time. Usually it should be done at the end of the semester, so please carefully choose this date. Okay. At the next one, first course evaluation. If you set it yes, then during this period, students log on to the system, and the screen will directly go to evaluation 1, and unless students finish the evaluation, he/she cannot see the grade. Okay? And the show course evaluation results to instructors option, if you set it yes, then after evaluation is done, the period is over, and after the instructor finish the grading input, he/she can see the course evaluation result. Okay, then regarding this course evaluation, we added evaluation module to permission table. So if you log on using sysadmin and go to system setting and permission, you can see this big table. Okay, then at the top it displays all modules. You see we added new evaluation module, and according to admin role, you can specify read, modify, and delete permissions. Okay? So, for example, let's give full control to academic dean, director, manager. Up to director. So, you set read, modify, edition. Okay, so screen is created. So let's just do 3. Okay, academic dean, read, modify, edition, and director as well. But then for manager, you just enable read, okay, not modify, add. Okay. Then for just staff, you just disable seeing this evaluation result. Because evaluation is sensitive data, by this way you can control the access. Okay? But note, here, even though you enable evaluation here, course permission or grade permission is not set, then evaluation result cannot be seen. Okay, let's get back to our evaluation. Okay. Let's go to the menu, course and course evaluation questions. This is a newly added menu. Okay. So let's click course evaluation questions, and let's add a new question. Okay, then you can see according to categories, the questions were added. Okay, then where can you change the categories? Okay? Then from code and academic code, then you can see newly added code, which is a course evaluation category. Let's click it, and now you can see the categories. Okay, so like other code, you can enable, disable, and you can just rename. And also, this is a multi-language supporting. So name 1 is English, 2 Korean, 3 Mongolian. So according to that, you can enter all the fields. Okay, then you can set up. You can choose the order. According to this order, the category will be displayed. Okay. So now let's add a new question. You click the plus button, And the type, you choose either rating or text. Okay, let's choose a rating. And the usage, yes, yeah. Later, if you change it into no, from this screen you can just change it. If you know, then this question will not be made, okay, to the actual semester question evaluation sets. Okay, there are 3 tabs. I didn't explain it. So first, we are in the course evaluation template, right? So after you define template, you can see them in the preview. Then, if everything's okay, you can create actual semester course evaluation set from the template. Okay, let's finish our course evaluation template. Okay, so here you can add new one like would you like to recommend this course to others? Okay. And then in other language you have to complete everything. So then you can see the newly added question. Okay, but indeed this question is not about teaching, but this is about the course. So you should move this from category 1 to category 2. There are 2 ways of doing that. First, you click and modify. You can change this category into course, right? Or more conveniently, you can move this by clicking the move icon. So from first category to second one, okay? You can just drag and drop. Also, you can change the type and the usage, and even you can delete this question. If you no longer need this question, you can just delete it. Even though you delete it, this question from template, it will not affect the actual created question set of the semesters. So after you finish adding questions to template, then you can preview. Okay, then if everything looks okay, then finally you can create the semester's question set. Okay, so right now 2019-20 spring semester. Okay, if you search, there's nothing. So let's create. So you choose year, semester, and press plus button. Then you create the set. Okay, you click, then you can see the question. This is what we defined from the template, right? So from here you can also add and modify and delete and change some options. Okay, make sure you finish everything. Okay, especially if we have to make it multi-language, then finish all the translation, because once you confirm this set, you are no longer able to modify any questions. Okay, let's confirm it. Okay, then it says evaluation question set was confirmed, it cannot be modified anymore. The reason we do this is because now you see you cannot modify anything. Once evaluation is going on, some students enter their evaluation data, then later the question should not be changed. Okay, if you do that, then the evaluation does not have meaning. Okay, so make sure before you confirm you proofread everything. Okay? However, it may happen that during the grading evaluation period is going on, you may find a critical mistake in the question set. Then you have to inform students ahead. Sorry that you have to do it again. Then you can delete it. Okay. Then you have to do double confirm. If you delete this set, whose data, evaluation data were entered, then the whole data will be gone. Okay. All right. So now the question set was confirmed. So let's try to do actual evaluation by students. Okay. So let's log on using student account. Then you see the screen directly goes to course evaluation page. Okay. Because from the system variable setting, we enable that, the force evaluation. Okay. So other tabs, grade, transcript tabs are disabled. Okay. You click home button, but still other functions are accessible. Okay. So of course, you have to see the timetable and other information. Okay. Let's do the evaluation. Okay. In this semester, this student is taking 4 courses. So first one, you just click, evaluation ratings, right? And you can add some, text, more practice, for example, more practice. Okay. Then, so once you have done, you cannot go back and add it. So that's it. So second one, just let's click quickly. Okay, and the third one. The fourth one. Okay. By the way, the rating you may want to have from just 3 to 1. Okay. However, just let's make it this way, because rating 1 to 5 becomes universal. So otherwise the system will be too much complicated. And here text you can leave it blank. Alright, so you finished all the evaluation. Then you see the grade tabs are enabled. Right. Let's also do evaluation using other student account. That's 02. Okay. This student 2 are taking the same courses. So let's do evaluation quickly. And you can just say some comments. Second one. Okay, we don't have to finish everything. Okay, let's do for one more student, okay, who belong to other schools and other department. Okay, this student is taking 3 courses, so let's do evaluation like that. The second course. Right. Okay. So likewise, students are doing evaluation. Okay. Then finally, let's see the result. So once again, let's log on using account admin. Then go to menu, course, and you can see grade evaluation report. Okay. The same menu was added to grade menu. Okay, you can see that. The reason we add this same menu to 2 different menus is because some admin, according to admin's permission, some admin may have access only to course, others only to grade. So we added both to both. Okay. So let's click grade evaluation report. Then you may question why grade and course evaluation result are together. Because it is better, right? So grade and course evaluation, we should be able to see them side by side. Okay, that will be better result and report. Okay, so first tab is all data. Okay, and on the top you can see grading period, and red font character says that grading is going on and evaluation is going on. In the middle of the grading or evaluation, admin can see the result, intermediate result, right? And it's saying that, oh, still is going on, so it will not be final. Okay? So you choose year and semester and search. Okay, then you can see all the courses of the semester with evaluation result and grade and statistics. These were available for fall, right? From grade. Okay? So evaluation, let's click on this. This means the evaluation average is 4.25 out of 5, and 2 students were done out of 8. Okay, class takers. Okay? And here is showing that out of 8 students, 7 students' grades were put in. Okay, so you click on this and you see evaluate total average 4.25. Again, the category average, and each question average will be shown. Okay, then text will be all shown here. Right. So you can do sorting and see which is the best and list like that. And also you can see the average, the graph. Okay. So at the bottom there is a summary. Okay. Right. Then you can download the sheet as an Excel and do some other statistic processing. Okay. Second tab is graph by department. Okay. Then here by department, CS department, I think EM department. There are 2 departments. Then the green is GPA. The orange is evaluation. So GPA evaluation. So you can see CS department GPA average is 2.48. EM is 2.7. So EM did better job. CS evaluation is like that, and EM is higher than that. Okay. And also you can see according to score and other statistics. Okay, so this is a score, okay, and the AB ratio and not fulfilled ratio like F. Okay. Also you can see the result by school. Okay, School of Engineering, School of Education, and also by subject type. Okay, here it shows 4 subject types: major, advanced, elective, major, advanced, required. So yeah, again, GPA and evaluation. You can see the MAE subject type has the highest evaluation result, but the GPA, MBE is the best. Okay, so you can compare them like this. And you can also see according to score and other statistics. Yeah, and also you can see the result by student year. So you can see that, oh, the freshman did the best GPA, but the evaluation, the satisfaction was higher in sophomore. All right. So these are the results for admins. Okay. And also, as I told you, professors and teachers can see their evaluation result. Okay. So let's go back to system settings, system variables, and for teachers to see their evaluation result, evaluation period should be over, because if the evaluation is going on and students are doing evaluation, then in the middle of that, teachers see the evaluation result, intermediate result, then she may be mad and lower the student's grade. I don't think that will happen, but we don't want any other noise to be added. So it should be, the period should be over. So let's set it like this, and let's save. Okay, so then evaluation period is now over. Okay, So let's log on using a professor account. Okay, then click course. Then you can say that grading is going on. Okay, but here you see, to see the course evaluation result, the evaluation period should be over. Now it is over. The grading should be completed. So this semester, this professor is teaching 3 courses. Okay. Then 2 courses evaluation results are showing. Okay. You click and you can see, oh, this is my evaluation. This is a total average. Okay. However, 1 course evaluation data is missing because you have not finished the grade input. So out of 8 registered students, you just only input 7. Okay, so 1 is blank, right? So let's add grade. Okay, and save grade. Okay, then once you did that, then you can see the evaluation result. Okay, so yep, that's it. Thanks for watching.